Welcome to this week's Ice Cream Social. Today we're going to teach you how to let customers set appointments through your Facebook page. If you have a business where you can book appointments, people can actually do this through Facebook, and we're going to show you how. By adding the book an appointment feature to your page, it makes it so much easier for people to look at your services, your hours, and then book an appointment right there and then. This makes it easier for your business to get instant bookings. You can add the book an appointment feature by going under your cover photo, and there will be a call to action button. You can click on that and set up where they can book an appointment. By doing this, you can also easily send automated messages for people, either reminding them of their appointment or thanking them for coming. When you click the call to action button, you can click the add button after that and then click book with you. You also want to include the book now as well, so people can easily go on there and book right there and then. Next, then you can click book on Facebook so you can manage them easily from Facebook. Facebook also allows you to approve the appointments before they are booked. Once an appointment is booked, a notification is received. You can even turn on reminders to message people right before their appointment to remind them to come in. Who knew that Facebook could make the business world so much easier? Thanks for watching Ice Cream Social. If you have any questions about Facebook or Facebook business, please leave a comment or message us. Thanks for watching.